Hello my beautiful ageless queens, welcome back to Ageless Chic, the channel where we celebrate timeless style and elegant fashion no matter your age. Today we are diving into something a little extra special, unique dresses for older women, the kind of pieces that make you feel confident, classy, and completely unforgettable, because let's face it, just because we are a little older doesn't mean we can't turn heads and feel absolutely fabulous in what we wear. In fact, it's the perfect time to express our individuality, embrace comfort and sophistication, and wear dresses that truly make a statement. So grab your cup of tea or coffee and let's get inspired together. Starting with the first style, flowy boho maxi dresses. These are perfect for warm weather and vacations. The loose fit is flattering for all body shapes, and the prints are often floral or tribal, which brings a fresh, artistic vibe. You can pair these with a wide-brimmed hat, sandals or espadrilles, and simple layered necklaces for that effortlessly chic look. Next up, we have the structured midi dress with a belt. This is one of my favorites, because it gives you that beautiful silhouette without being too tight or uncomfortable. A cinched waist adds shape, and the midi length is both modest and modern. Go for bold solid colors like emerald green, navy blue, or even mustard, and pair it with pointed flats or kitten heels for a polished yet comfortable look. Now let's talk about wrap dresses. They are timeless, flattering, and perfect for mature figures. The V-neck elongates the neckline and the wrap style lets you control the fit. Plus, they come in so many fabrics: jersey for casual wear, silk for special occasions, or cotton for everyday errands. And the best part, they never go out of style. Moving on to shirt dresses, such a staple for women over 40, 50, or 60 because they are so versatile. Wear them buttoned up with a belt for a classic office-ready vibe, or leave a few buttons open and roll up the sleeves for relaxed weekend feel. Go for pinstripes, soft chambray, or even linen for summer, and pair them with white sneakers or loafers depending on your mood. Don't shy away from bold prints either. One unique dress idea is an abstract or geometric printed dress in a shift or A-line cut. The pattern takes the attention away from any areas you feel self-conscious about and instead highlights your confidence and creativity. If you love classic elegance with a twist, try a lace overlay dress in a T-length cut. It's ideal for weddings or garden parties. The lace detail adds femininity while the length gives you that graceful vintage charm. For evening events, go for a high-low hem dress with soft chiffon or satin layers. These dresses move beautifully as you walk and give that red carpet feel without being over the top. Deep plum, charcoal gray, or rich burgundy are perfect color choices. And if you want something that truly stands out, consider a dress with artistic elements like hand embroidery, patchwork, or asymmetric cuts. These kinds of dresses tell a story. They say you are bold, expressive, and stylish without following every trend blindly. Another unique idea is the sleeveless tunic dress worn with a lightweight long-line cardigan or duster. This gives layering options without adding bulk. Ideal for women who want to stay stylish, but also want to cover their arms or hips in a comfortable way. And now let's not forget about fabrics: linen for breathability, silk for luxury, jersey for comfort, and cotton for everyday wear. Choosing the right fabric is just as important as the design when it comes to how you feel in the dress. Finally, accessorizing makes all the difference. A simple dress can become unforgettable with a wide belt, a chunky necklace, or a patterned scarf. And remember, your shoes should not hurt your feet to look good. Block heels, wedge sandals, ballet flats, and even sleek sneakers can all work beautifully with the right dress. At the end of the day, your style is your personal statement, and your age should never define or limit that expression. Wear what makes you feel alive, graceful, and proud of the woman you've become. Every wrinkle is a chapter, every smile line a memory, and your fashion should honor that amazing journey. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you loved these outfit ideas, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more ageless fashion inspiration. Let me know in the comments which dress was your favorite, or if there's a style you want me to feature next. Until next time, my gorgeous ladies, stay confident, stay chic, and always stay ageless.